G-O-O-S-E, goose. Geese are larger than ducks and have long necks. They make honking sounds and are often found near water. Say again, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Llama. L-L-A-M-A, llama. Llamas have long necks and woolly coats. Say again, L-L-A-M-A, llama. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Male chickens that crow loudly, especially in the morning. They have bright feathers and are known for waking up the farm. Say again, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Cats on farms are often barn cats, helping to keep the rodent population down. Say again, C-A-T, cat. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Farm dogs help herd animals and protect the farm. They are loyal and hardworking companions. Say again, D-O-G, dog.